Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedge Lee with the S&P 500 Daily Update. We left off the prior analysis, using this wedge pattern as guidance for the probable topping of blue wave 1. And that means that we also said that likely, as the price gets closer to the apex, the price will then start declining towards blue 2. And I think that's pretty much started. I mean, if you look at the fractals of what happened before of the same upward pointing bearish wedge, look at it here. Broke down right on time, right below the upper trend line of the larger degree of trend symmetrical triangle, the white top trend line. Happened twice before also. So the propensity and the preponderance of evidence showed that wave 1 is probably done, and wave 2 could go to the 2700s. Now in this case, if this breakout from the bigger white trend line shows to be an impulse as 1, 2, and we are on white wave 3, and the blue impulse waves are the subwaves of that, then probably what's going to happen is that it'll go to 2700 and then it'll just scream upwards, because this 3 of 3 would be quite interesting to see. Wave 3 usually is the most extended, and probably this will all just go upwards, stretched upwards. I'll have to re-update it and make it longer. And since wave 3 is usually the most extended, it moves in the most violent way in price. So this is my primary count. Now, I do want to share with you an alternate count. So here we have a clean slate of the S&P 500 chart. And I wanted to show how all of this could be a little bit, and I've already shown this, but I just want to re-emphasize into greater awareness. And that is that we have an A and a B in progress with a higher high, potentially. So this is one scenario, and then we'll get a C down. And if that's the case, I'm going to see if I can fit them all in with different colors. If that's the case, if this is ABC correction, then the blue B is not yet complete. Now, in the event that we actually get, I'm going to make this yellow. Then this would look like, and I'm going to draw this in yellow. We have a A, the B is done here, and the 1, 2 of the C has already started. So it'll just decline from here. Okay. Oops, let me make that yellow. So if you can follow me so far, a lot of lines, and it looks confusing. The third alternate, I'll make this red, is the potential that we have an A, and the B will make all-time new highs, and a C, and that would be an expanded flat. So I'd like you to keep that in mind into your awareness of those probabilities. Meanwhile, I haven't really changed the primary call. Still remains as this. But in the event that we start breaking down well below the 2500, let's say, then I think we've got to consider some of these events. Either we get an A, B, C in the yellow scenario, where the B is already complete. Or in the blue, A, B, C, because the B is not complete, so it'll make one more little more incremental high compared to the prior PQ. Or we'll do an all-time new high for the B for an expanded ABC flat 335 type of correction. But meanwhile, let's keep this at hand and see how long this blue wave correction progresses to. All right, I hope this is helpful. Have a wonderful day.